Today we will be activating Windows 11 for free and for lifetime. So let's begin. So first of all, download the activator from the description and let's turn off the Windows Defender before extracting the file. Alright, now run these two command files and unpack the KMS tool. Now press No and run the KMS tool. Now click on W10 Digital Activation. Now press Activate Windows and it will activate your Windows 11. And don't get confused because it's showing Activate Windows 10. It will still work for Windows 11 as well. So thanks for watching everyone. Like or dislike, it's your choice. And subscribe to see more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.